Tracey Lambert, 1970 GSX with the stage 3 engine conversion. Well, the car was originally at Logan Buick here in Des Moines in 1970. I was not able to purchase it at that time, but when I was a senior at Iowa State, I picked it up as a used car for $2,600. Well, Buick was finally making a sporty vehicle that would attract attention. They were made in 70, 71, and 72, 3 years, but the 70s are the most desirable because they are pre-emissions vehicles. Well, it was my first car, and it was the first car my wife and I had our first date in, so it's kind of got some sentimental value. Outside of the 54 Buick Skylark, this is the most collected a car that Buick has built. About 600 of them were yellow, and 178 were white. There are 60 survivors of the white ones, and they range from the standard 455, the stage 1 455, but this is the only one that has the stage 3 conversion on it. Well, we'd like to take it to some car shows. We'd like to go to the GS Nationals in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and they haven't seen it for well over 20 years. It's been that long. You guys found problems that the original engine builder had missed, and you corrected them. I wanted it done right, and I knew you guys would do it right.